Here's the deal with today's giant MoE models. They're all Spider-Man conditional computation, great at reasoning. But for pulling a static fact out of memory, they have to simulate the entire process of remembering. It's a core architectural problem. Z-Schwal Infographic 1 Transformer doing calculus. The transformer is trying to do calculus to remember its own name. You won't believe the mess they're in. To recognize that phrase, the model, as shown in Table 3, spends 6 whole layers of attention just to piece it together. Layer 1 thinks Wales is a country. Layer 4 finally gets Princess of Wales. It's a tragic waste of mental energy. The model's precious, limited reasoning depth is being consumed by memory reconstruction. It's like a genius philosopher who has to stop mid-argument to recite the alphabet. For job, the grand unveiling go. So, the DeepSeek AI team asked a beautifully simple question. What if we gave the AI a Superman module, a dedicated static memory lookup system that works in constant time 01? They call it Engram. It's conditional memory, a new axis of sparsity. Next, they had to make it not stupid. A raw lookup is noisy. So, they added tokenizer compression and a context-aware gate. The model's current hidden state, its actual train of thought, gets to vote on whether the retrieved memory is relevant. If it's not, the gate closes. It's a bouncer for your brain's fact library. Resume on Figure 1. This is Engram's core architecture. See how the lookup system injects memory here? See overall animated flow from input to output? It's doing constant time retrieval while the transformer focuses on reasoning. They strategically injected the Engram module into specific layers of a multi-branch transformer. By placing it a few layers deep, as shown in Figure 2, they can hide the latency of fetching these memories from slower, cheaper storage. The GPU computes the early layers while the host memory is quietly fetching the facts for layer 5. 3 kids, findings up. Stripped Berrig. Alright, let's cut to the chase. The big question, if you have a fixed budget of sparse parameters, how do you split it between MoE Expert's computation and Engram Slot's memory? They called this the sparsity allocation problem. Their finding, shown in Infographic 2 and Figure 3 left, is a perfect, beautiful U-shaped curve. Go all in on MoE, your validation loss is high. Go all in on Engram, it's also high, but the sweet spot? A hybrid. Give about 75-80% of your sparse budget to MoE experts and 20 to 25% to the Engram memory. That's the optimal point. Pure MoE lacks memory, so it wastes compute. Pure Engram lacks dynamic reasoning. They need each other. The mechanistic proof is in Figure 4. Using tools like Scikit-learn, they showed Engram's early layers behave like the MoE baseline's much deeper layers. By handling Alexander the Great via lookup in Layer 2, Engram effectively gains a free 10 layers of reasoning depth. It's like academic credit for life experience. And the long context results in Table 2 are absurd. By freeing up attention from local pattern matching, Engram crushed long-range retrieval. On the needle in a haystack test, it scored 97% accuracy versus the baseline's 84.2%. It can find a fact in a 32,000 token document better because it's not distracted. Finally, system efficiency. In Table 4, they offloaded a 100 billion parameter Engram table to regular CPU host memory. The throughput penalty? Less than 3%. The deterministic lookup lets them prefetch during computation. They've effectively broken the GPU memory wall. You can now have a model whose knowledge is stored in a cheap external hard drive. Sys-effect's subtle chime. If you want more deep dives into AI breakthroughs that actually matter, subscribe now. I break down one paper like this every week. 60 Sophunis, or lack thereof? So what? Let's be real. This isn't just an incremental paper. It proposes a fundamental new primitive conditional memory. For AI research, it's a new knob to turn. Scaling laws now have two axes: compute and memory. The most unsettling scenario? This decoupling of compute and memory is a step towards truly modular AI. You could, in theory, hot swap the Engram memory module without retraining the whole model. One day you're a poet, the next you're a physicist, just by loading a different memory cartridge. How would you handle your Roomba demanding union rights because you upgraded its cleaning pattern memory module? Fucking E-Smart. To wrap this up with the profound weariness it deserves, here's the paper's soul stripped of hope. While everyone was making better Spider-Man, these folks built a Superman module and stuck it to him. They gave Transformers a constant time memory lookup to stop them from wasting their finite depth on remembering their own keys. They found a U-shaped law governing the split between thinking and remembering, and by doing so, they made models not only more knowledgeable, but also, paradoxically, better reasoners and long context masters, all while teasing a future where a model's knowledge lives in cheap, slow storage it barely notices. The ultimate achievement, making the AI equivalent of a photographic memory look boringly efficient. So, what do you think? Is the future of intelligence just a really, really good filing system? To wrap this up with the profound weariness it deserves, here's the paper's soul stripped of hope. While everyone was making better Spider-Man, these folks built a Superman module and stuck it to him. They gave Transformers a constant time memory lookup to stop them from wasting their finite depth on remembering their own keys. They found a U-shaped law governing the split between thinking and remembering, and by doing so, they made models not only more knowledgeable, but also, paradoxically, better reasoners and long context masters, all while teasing a future where a model's knowledge lives in cheap, slow storage it barely notices. The ultimate achievement, making the AI equivalent of a photographic memory look boringly efficient. So, what do you think? Is the future of intelligence just a really, really good filing system? Scundle was funness, or Lactheria-funness. So what? This isn't just a better benchmark score, it's a fundamental architectural critique. Engram proposes the next leap in AI efficiency won't come from just making the compute brain bigger, but from finally giving it proper memory. Intelligence isn't just processing, it's also recall. In efficient inference, this is a game changer. Offloading hundreds of billions of parameters to host memory with negligible latency, as shown, is a direct path to cheaper, faster, larger models. Your future chatbot might have recall powered by a lookup table the size of the internet running on your laptop.